What is up, Cattywampus crew? I got a special project today for Mrs. Cattywampus. It's a little bit of a secret, so why don't you come with me? Wait, nope, this one. Hey everybody, Jason from Cattywampus Acres. I hope you like what you've been seeing on our videos so far. We would really appreciate your support if you like and subscribe, even maybe hit that bell so you can be updated on our newest videos as they come out. Thanks. So here's what we got. Mrs. Cattywampus just got us set up over at a local market store in town, and we are going to start selling soaps and candles over there. So what I need to do is I need to build some sort of display rack. So I have an idea, and it involves this mess of pallets we got back here. So we're gonna give it a try. I'm gonna look through, see what we have, and anybody who's on a homestead or a farm knows how much junk you collect, but it's actually good junk, right? It's good junk. So we're gonna see what we can build with what we have over here. So let's see what we got here. We got a bunch of pallets. We got more fence that we know what to do with, but yeah, we got a bunch of nonsense back here. I think we can use all this, put it to good use. Hey there, man, there's my ladder. I've been looking for that ladder. And let's see what we got here. Go, good Lord. There's a bunch of weeds back here, man. Anybody got like an industrial like weed eater or something? We could borrow it. Like, I mean something like Paul Bunyan would use. Yeah, look at, we got gates. We got some tin, other rusty junk, PVC. Not gonna use that. Some wood. Yeah, we got some junk back here. We can put this to use. Some fence. Look at this nonsense. We got some chicken wire, and the weeds have grown up through it. This is a part of our farm we do not use as often. This is our little storage area behind the barn. So, we'll have to do some cleaning up, but we might be able to use this. So let's see what we can do with all this stuff. Let me tell y'all a little secret. One thing I don't do very well is draw things out and plan things out. So all of the plans for this shelf I'm about to build are currently being stored in my hard drive up here. So we'll see what we can come up with. I hope I don't mess this up too bad. This is the worst part about using pallets to build. I stepped on a nail. What I'm thinking about doing is making a table base about this high and then having some shelves above it. I don't know if I'll do probably the candles on the bottom and the soaps above. We'll see. Sometimes it changes as it goes. Let's get into it. I like using these spack screws because these are really good for those of us who might be a little bit more lazy because there's no pre-drilling required. When these things bite, they bite. By a little bit over 2 foot base. Now for some legs. Now I just need to add some support between here and here. We don't need it all floppy. I'm going to add something either up here or across here, in the middle, out somewhere. And then we'll put planks on this top. Okay, so this is what we're going with. I just cut one of these beams down, and I'll spread these legs out so they're even with the top. Screw that in. I banged these nails in because I just thought it looked better. I think it makes it look more rustic, more tetanus-like. And I also did start planking the top of this. Got a little ahead of myself, but I'm just using the asphalt shingle nails on this. They seem to be good and they look old-timey, you know what I mean? No, it is so muggy, I promise. You may notice that they're splitting a little bit, but it's alright. It's gonna be inside. Ain't no big deal, makes it look legit. Still got them church crocks. This is 27 inches, fits perfectly on top. This is what I'm thinking. We'll see if it works. So now that the window on the back here, I just need to start making a shelf and some type of support to come and hold the window from flipping over. Alright, day 2. Oh my shop's a mess. This is what we got so far. And I need to build some shelves. I gotta build some shelves on here, or else it's not gonna be that great of a display shelf. Side note, it is not a secret because Lauren came home last night after work, saw it, added some suggestions, and so no longer a secret, but we're still gonna keep cranking it out. If you see those windows, you see these windows here? See these windows? I got something in store for those too, so we'll see what we can do with that. So this is where we're at. Got us a shelf built. Just used some old pieces and matched about, looks like, yeah, I did about 12 inches out. And then just working with what I had to put like a newer block of wood under there. So I'm doing like a shingling deal on top with some pieces of pallet wood. So it'll be a little offset, and then I'll have this one display out front. So we'll see what we can do. Okay, so here's where we're at now. I built what I believe is going to work for our soap display, and I'm hoping that I can put it at some kind of, well, I'm hoping we can put it at not that steep of an angle, but something a little steeper. I built those little steps into it to hopefully add some friction. So that's where we're at. I just tacked it all in place. It wasn't that hard. So turns out those angled boards I did were not good. They did not work with the bars of soap. Tried them. The bars of soap were inside the house, so it didn't work. So we are trying it again with flat bottom, and we'll go from here and see what we can do. So here's what I came up with. I added these supports for our soap rack, nice and strong, and Tell me what y'all think in the comments below, but you know, our name is Cattywampus Acres, and I think, if you ask me, that this expresses Cattywampus. I think it's cool, looks like a boarded up window mixed with the display. We get some of Lauren's beautiful candles and soaps up here, get all smelling good, and I think we got us a good thing going here. Boom! Man, I told you I'd get it done, and I don't even have tetanus. Oh, well, come on here, baby. Let me see what you got. Show them what we're working with, Lauren.
All right. So Jason made this awesome display. And so we've got the soaps up here, and we've got the fall candle scents. We've got twisted apple, hooked on pumpkin, and turning leaves. And they're both, even though different sizes, both 16-ounce jars. And we're gonna take this to Tammie's Hometown Treasures in Auburn. And we're getting it there tomorrow, and they'll be on sale.
What you got up top?
So we got our goat milk soap up here, and we only have a small collection now. We're working on expanding the scents. We're gonna start we're gonna do a few fall scents and then work into the winter scents.
So you pleased with how it came out?
It looks great. I love it.
Good. All right, I think we did okay.